Okay, so part one, I was talking about how these two are the complaints. That's what I will be scanning and sending to the Attorney General before weekend is up. It details basically how one attorney and his scamming practices and his unethical behaviors came after me like they do probably everyone else. But I was educated on the laws. I understood the laws. I understood how to put this together. I knew I wasn't doing anything wrong. I knew I was here to help people, and so I didn't have any reason to be attacked. I even told them this is like putting a judgment against Mother Teresa. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm actually obsessively doing things right at this point. It was a spiritual thing in my life that I am still living by today, trying to just make the right choice no matter what the consequences on me, selflessly. And the right choice was not to pay an extortion, because it was an extortion and it was illegal, and this attorney was fabricating evidence to cause me trouble, and that was not okay. I thought I was dealing with one criminal attorney. I guess I am dealing with one attorney who has gone beyond what he possibly could ever do, because even though he was in the wrong to start off, he did not like losing. And I was not going to lose because I wasn't in the wrong and because I was the property owner. And I just thought that some laws needed to be changed. At first, I thought the pro bono law needed to be changed, because if they weren't getting awarded fees for their volunteer work that they were getting volunteer time for, then they wouldn't be taking all that time against me. He wouldn't be using his paralegals to attack me. And these are just the final ones. I mean, I've been doing these all along, since all I have to do is reproduce them in the way, in order that best fits. When I send a complaint, I send all of this evidence with me. Or with it, so that it could be referenced. It's not the letter I will post when I have it, with no names, just in case. But the letter will reference all of these tabs and page numbers, and that's why it takes so long. And that's why no one is able to fight back. And God put me in this situation where I know how to do it. I was a real estate agent. I ran my own company. I was an insurance agent. I learned the laws for insurance. I learned the laws for health, and for life, and for property, and for vehicles. And so you kind of start to understand how laws work.